Now, big up on yourselves, guys. Big up on yourselves once more. This is another day of Bars Beat. We'll do some of the maddest reviews them around here. Now, today in the program, we are reviewing that song here. I decode it. It is by Vybz Kartel and it's called God is the Greatest. There's no question about that anyway. You know? So, you what? Remember, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you want the latest videos, just click the notification bell, brother. You won't regret it. May I tell you? Straight. So, you what now? Make we run it now.
No matter what you're going through, count your blessings, yeah.
Alright. Here what going on now. You see Vybz Kartel now. Vybz Kartel I reach a more mature stage in life, you know. He's not just aging, he's maturing. See? So, you find, say, he must sing some more positive and some more conscious type of songs. I mean, I like so just positive because positive is sort of relative depending on who is looking at it. So, he's singing more songs of consciousness and spiritual guidance. And this is one of the start of them. Okay? So, I want to pre it properly now because it's a beautiful song. Watch it now.
Well, today is a new day. Give thanks to life. All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me. Me a whole a vibe. With Red Boom, TJ and Moon in my born to fight.
Okay, so you hear him mention him a whole a vibes with Red Boom, TJ and Mooney is bonafide. Now when a man say bonafide, I don't think bonafide is a Jamaican word. It is a what we call now universal word. So but bonafide means close friends. So that's why I mention them people. When you say my whole of vibes, hanging out with them and hold some good reasoning. So let me go back some more again. Where we go?
Me a whole of vibe. With Red Boom, TJ and Moon in my born to fight. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me just a go and show love. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me just a go and show love. Oh, far me I come from, but a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel it. Far me I come from. Life has meaning. Get a youth keep on believing. So see it and feel.
Okay, so you know, say Vybz Kartel is a man from the ghetto, the street, right? He grew in Portmore, St. Catherine, Waterford to be exact, and him go through a basically hard life, a rough life, a bad life, and him went to prison for a murder charge. He got freed based on certain technicalities. Excuse me, sir. He's out and about, right? So him don't just come out a road and be bitter with people. He's out a road and he's showing people that, life is more than just living. Time is important. So him have some beautiful messages where you see him is passing around and giving. So this song, as me say, is one of those reflective type of songs. And this is where you hear. So go through some more vibes.
Oh, life is so rough sometimes. Heaven hear me cry. I feel do something with my life. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me just a go and show love. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me just a go and show love. Oh, far me I come from, but a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel it. Far me I come from. Life has meaning. Get a youth keep on believing. Well, today is a new day. give thanks a lot. All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me. Me a whole a vibe. With Red Boom, TJ and Moon in my bonafide. And the Lord is around us. Him blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go and show love. And the Lord is around us. Him blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go and show love.
Hear me now?
Greatest.
Hear me now? That song is a big song. There's no joke around it. Me not even have much for either take out of it. But as me say, this shows a lot of the transformation from Vybz Kartel. Because you know what, a couple of years ago, you will not find Vybz Kartel singing any song this deep, where a man can sit down at the seaside or up on the mountain side and chill back and listen. Most of Vybz Kartel's songs, like in an early part-time career, are some songs where when you're vexed with a man, you just turn on a Vybz Kartel song and listen to it, and the job done a couple of minutes or a couple of hours from that. Right? No, him have a change and a transformation. So, let me know what you think about the song itself, and put your comments in the review as what you think. If you think Vybz Kartel really changed with you, or just a fast. See? As usual, this is what do quick from Bars Beats. I may say, have that.